Hi guys. I just realized something quite interesting, and that is that one of the most important commands in Photoshop is missing in the menu system. What is it? It is Shift Option Command E on a Mac, and I think it's Shift Option or Alt Control E on a PC. I don't know PC keyboard. And what does this command? It merges all layers which are activated together into a new layer. Even in the help system, if you type merge, there is a copy merge, there is merge group, there is merge visible, but there is no merge all to new layer. Just for showing you, Shift Command E does merge all visible layers together to one layer, but that's not what I want because it's deleting my whole editing process. Let's undo this with Command Z. What Shift Option Command E does, it's taking all the visible, the activated layers and putting them into a new layer. And this is a command that should be here, but it is not. And this is kind of symptomatic for Adobe. Even if you type into the help system, help, there is nowhere such a command listed. And also in the help topics, these are now Adobe help topics. That's macOS help topics. It does not show up, and that's that's one of the reasons why Adobe is so hard to begin with. Each Adobe software, because the all-day commands are not documented. If you know it accidentally or you find it accidentally on YouTube, it's okay. If not, you are lost, guys. Hey, bye bye.